Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing in and opening YouTube Studio immediately. Once in Studio, go to the left menu and select Audio Library. That's where free music and sound effects live. If you need policy info, switch to Music Policies to check usage rules first. Make sure your account is fully verified and that channel permissions allow asset access. Otherwise, library items may be hidden. This step gets you to the actual resources fast, so you can pick sounds without delay. Once you're in the audio library, apply filters to narrow options quickly: genre, mood, duration, and whether attribution is required. You should preview tracks using the built-in player. Listen for the intro, loop points, and where beats drop so it fits your edit. Make use of search terms and the sort menu to bring up popular or recent tracks. This saves time when you need a specific length or vibe. If a track needs attribution, note the exact credit text before downloading. After you find the right clip, click Download to save a local copy. Check the file name and bitrate so it matches your project settings. Before adding music to monetized content, consult Music Policies to avoid claims. That explains restrictions and required attribution. If downloads fail, or you don't see the library, refresh Studio, clear cache, or switch browsers. Also confirm your channel verification and country restrictions. If problems persist, recheck account roles and permissions. Resolving that usually restores full library access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.